the quarterback have less time.
Slings it way down the field to Watkins. Sammy Watkins for the touchdown.
This is really going to be an incredible call because Tremaine Brock goes down. He falls down. Is it going to be on Brock or is it going to be on Watkins? This is going to be a touchdown.
Holding defense number 35. This penalty's declined. Result to the play is a touchdown.
60 yards to Sammy Watkins.
And they get aggressive. You have to do that there. The game's on the line. They release all 5 guys. Back goes the back. But watch, Sammy Watkins right here. They're getting up in there. They're going to be physical. Brock guards him, and he goes down. Now, when you're sitting there watching that and you see the flag, who are you going to call the penalty on? It's really a 50-50, it looks like, and we'll check it out. And what a throw. The route was really just the guy falls down, and